Write a program for Armstrong number. Check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Let's see what is Armstrong number. For any input number, sum of power of each digit should be equal to the given input number. For example, 153. Here there are 3 digits, so let's take a power as 3. 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3 is 153. So the given input number is Armstrong number. Let's check for another number 1534. Here are 4 digits. Let's take a power as 4. So 1 power 4 plus 5 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4. The sum becomes 963, which is not equal to 1534. So it's not an Armstrong number. This number is not an Armstrong number. Note, there is no 2-digit Armstrong number. Let's move towards coding part. First, we have to take the length of the input. Then, we have to calculate the power of each digit. Then, we have to sum the power of each digit. Code in Java to take the length of input. Consider integer.toString of number.length. Integer is a wrapper class. Basically, wrapper class used to convert the primitive data types into objects. Converting the primitive data types into object helps to use the built-in classes. For example, here we are using toString. It's a built-in class. This is the method used on string. We will understand this line by taking the example. Here is an integer converted into object using wrapper class integer. Then we are using built-in function toString to convert this integer into string. Now this string, we are using the length method which gives the length of this string. Let's see how to take the power of each digit and its sum. We are using mat.pow function for calculating the power of digits. Here, we have to take out the remainder of this input number by modulo 10 gives the remainder. To calculate the remainder, we have to divide the 153 by 10. 153 upon 10 gives 15 as a quotient, 3 as a remainder. This remainder is taken to calculate the power. Here the remainder is 3 and the digits are 3. Power of 3 is 27. Now let's take a variable sum which is used to calculate the sum of powers. Now 27 for 3 power 3. Next we have to consider 15, the quotient, and we have to calculate the remainder for it. The remainder becomes 5 now. Let's again consider the power of 5 power 3. That is 125. It is added to 27. It gives answer as 152. Now the quotient was 1. Then the remainder is also 1. Let's consider 1 power 3 is 1. Take it to sum. Now sum becomes 153. To do this again and again, we have to use loop in Java till the remainder becomes 0. For next iteration, the remainder is 0. So we can stop here to calculate the power. It is the actual coding. See, here we have taken a number in a temporary variable. Sum is taken as 0. Here I have explained this line. Till then the number becomes 0. We have to loop through it. Remainder is taken. Temp is reduced to quotient. Now here we have calculate the power. The power is added to sum. After coming out of this loop, if sum equals to number, then it becomes Armstrong, else it will be not Armstrong number. See the output, 153 is the Armstrong number.